Hey guys, it's Tanu from R.V.C Tech and I'm back with another video. Today, we are diving into the Xiaomi Band 9. Is it still the best budget fitness tracker in 2024? Let's find out. The Band 9 sticks to the classic Xiaomi design, minimalistic and lightweight. The band is super comfortable, making it easy to wear all day, and the 1.62-inch AMOLED display is vibrant and bright, even in direct sunlight. It comes in a variety of colors and the bands are easily replaceable. The build feels durable with water resistance rated up to 5 ATM, so it's perfect for swimming or workouts. When it comes to features, the Band 9 is packed. It tracks all the essential steps, calories burned, heart rate, and sleep. But this time, Xiaomi has added advanced metrics like stress monitoring, blood oxygen, SpO2 tracking, and so on. The new watch faces and widgets make the interface customizable and user-friendly. Plus, the Band 9 supports notifications and music control. Unfortunately, there is no built-in GPS. You will need to use your phone for that. Battery life on the Band 9 is fantastic. Xiaomi claims up to 21 days on a single charge, and in my testing, I got about 12 days with moderate use. It takes roughly an hour to charge fully, which isn't bad at all. The fitness tracking on the Band 9 is accurate for steps and heart rate. Sleep tracking has improved compared to previous models, but it's still not perfect. It sometimes misses naps or wakes during the night. The Xiaomi Fitness app ties everything together. It's clean, easy to navigate, and gives you detailed insights into your health metrics. If you are already in the Xiaomi ecosystem, the integration is seamless. So, should you get the Xiaomi Band 9? At its price point around $40, it's hard to beat. It offers an excellent balance of features, performance, and battery life, making it one of the best budget fitness trackers in 2024. Sure, the lack of built-in GPS and slightly inconsistent sleep tracking might be a downside for some, but for the price, it's a great deal. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I will have to see you in the next one. Bye!